Prove that sin theta plus sec theta whole square plus cos theta plus cosec theta whole square, that is equal to 1 plus sec theta cosec theta whole square. To prove this, consider left hand side is equal to, so write first left hand side, sin theta plus square plus whole square. What is right hand side? 1 plus sec theta cos theta whole square. If we expand right hand side, there are only 3 terms, because a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So if we expand 1 plus sec theta cosec theta whole square, we will get 3 terms. If we expand these 2 terms, we will have 3 terms plus 3 terms, 6 terms. So we have to reduce the number of terms and we will have to prove this. Now expand these 2 terms. Before that, better convert sec theta in terms of cos theta and cosec theta in terms of sin theta. First writing sin theta plus sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta whole square plus cos theta 1 by sin theta. See, if we calculate in memory, sin theta cos theta plus 1, sin theta cos theta plus 1. So before expanding, we simplify the within bracketed terms. Sin theta plus 1 by cos theta, that of whole square. Similarly, this term cos theta sin theta. See, in both cases, it means first term and second term, one sin theta cos theta plus 1 common. So take out the common, plus 1, that of square. Here it will be remaining 1 by cos, as that is square here. So cos square theta plus 1 by, similarly now this term as it is now, that of square. Now simplify this. LCM cos square theta sin square theta. After adding this, see, from trigonometric ratios, the formula sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So we may write, but this can be reduced, square 1 by cos theta as 1. So that is equal to cos square theta sin square theta. We may write this way, that of square, that is equal to, now break into 2 parts because there is no any terms in the numerator, denominator, right hand side plus that of square these will get cancelled out 1 plus 1 by cos theta sec theta 1 by sin theta cosec theta. Look at right hand side, this is the right hand side, so R H S, hence what is left hand side is equal to side, so proved. Thank you for watching.